Easily balance your data distribution across available scale-out nodes with Workload Factory. When working in large scales, you may find that over time, some nodes in your Amazon FSx for NetApp ONTAP deployment can run out of space, or alternatively, be underutilized. FSx for ONTAP allows you to move volumes from one node to another in order to balance utilization. This allows for enhanced storage efficiency and optimized performance. Let's see an easy way to do just that with Workload Factory. In Workload Factory, click Go to Storage. Then go to the FSx for ONTAP tab and choose the FSx for ONTAP system you want to rebalance and click Manage. Click on the Volumes tab. Click Check Rebalance Volumes. For best results, select all the volumes and click Rebalance. You can throttle the volume rebalance operation if you wish to control the bandwidth. In any event, volumes will be moved gradually, one at a time. Click Next. The layout comparison will demonstrate how the volumes are going to be spread out across nodes after the rebalancing operation. In this example, instead of having 5 volumes in one node, 3 volumes will move to one empty node each. Click Next. You can read what will happen during the operation and other important notes. Click Rebalance to execute. That's it, you're done. Sit back while Workload Factory rebalances your volumes across the FSx for ONTAP nodes. Easily balance your data distribution across available scale-out nodes with Workload Factory.